Alright, in this video I'm going to be cleaning the drain filter in my LG washing machine. I didn't even know you could do this. I just noticed it had a little box down here at the bottom while I was doing other work in the laundry room, and I opened it up and there was stuff in there, and I found out that you could actually drain and clean the filter on these things. So first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the power. You might want to shut off the water as well, but I didn't do that in this case, and I didn't have any problems. I then put a small pan down on the floor, and the first thing I'm going to do is remove this little plug that's in this drain hose, and then obviously it's going to drain out, and you can see some green stuff. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be, considering I didn't even know it had this function for the last 4 years, but the water does kind of smell, and I just let that drain for a little while. And I think you're supposed to let it drain all the way out, but I didn't bother doing that either. And this is the filter. Just go lefty-loosey, give it a few turns, and eventually it'll pop out. And it wasn't that clogged up. There's a few little hard pieces in there that got stuck, but nothing major actually, considering I've been sitting on this for 4 years. And that's most of it done. Obviously you're gonna wanna clean this thing up, so I'm gonna bring it over to the sink, and I'm gonna run some water through it and just shake it out. And just make sure all the little bits are out of there. So if you're having any error codes or drain issues with your washing machine, this could be the problem. It could be filled up with lint, or if you had a bunch of hard items that couldn't pass through that filter, that could be your issue as well. And once you're happy that it's clean, this filter basket only goes in one way, so you can't mess it up. And then you just go righty-tighty and you turn it until it is obviously tight in there. It does have a rubber gasket, so it will sort of squish against the plastic, and then put the cap on the drain hose, push the drain hose back into place, and there's a little clip for it, and that's about it. Before I close the door, there's some water on it, so I'm just going to clean that up so I'm not wiping it off the floor from underneath the washing machine. Put that little door back, and I will get rid of this water in this pan, which, as I said, does kind of stink. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Not too bad for 4 years. You're actually supposed to do this monthly, or I guess every couple months, every so often. Obviously I didn't do that, but whatever. Turned out fine. And I'm gonna add this fresh to the washing machine and give it a cleaning with the cleaning tab. Close the door, and this particular LG has a tub clean setting, so I'll go with that. And then obviously just hit the go button, and that's pretty much it. Pretty soon I'll be able to wash these sweet Captain America socks in a completely clean and fresh washer. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.